Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer cover glass in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer cover glass. The drawer cover glass serves as a glass shelf in the refrigerator compartment. The main reason to replace the vegetable drawer cover glass is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open both fresh food doors. Next, I'm going to pull out both drawers and remove them. Next, I'm going to push up the rear end of the glass, and I'm going to pull it back so we can release this front edge. And now we can remove it. This is the old vegetable drawer cover glass next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the cover glass into the frame. First, I'm going to lift the end, the back end, and we're going to slide the front end in and push it in so it will go into the groove. And then we're going to release the glass down. And now I would suggest you can peel off these tags. And now I'm going to install these drawers. I'm going to place the rear rollers on the rails, and I'm going to push it in. Same thing here. And now we're going to close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.